Hi everyone, we're in Animal Kingdom today. It's going to be really fun and I'm going to show you around the park. Let's go. We're queuing up for Avatar Flight of Passage. It's quite a long queue, it's 95 minutes, but we've been queuing up for about 30 minutes, so it's like an hour or so until we get on the ride. The queue is long, as I said, but the scenery is just amazing. There's like plants and wildlife everywhere. Because they tell you to put your like camera and phones and stuff away. But we're about to get in and I'm really excited.
Great. But first, we have to scan you for Pandora microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan.
Into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now.
A Navi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora.
That ride was like amazing. The queue was long, but it was definitely worth it. It was a VR experience where you got to ride on a banshee. Although a tip of advice, if you do that VR stuff or you get motion sickness, don't do that because my dad did it and he got very, very sick. It was quite funny. He had his eyes closed the whole time. We're about to go on to Everest. It's one of my favorite rides. Although last time we went to Disney, it kind of was closed. That was kind of disappointing. But we're about to go on it and I'm really looking forward to it. Let's go. And the Yeti broke the tracks twice. Animal Kingdom has a lot of different varieties of food that you can eat. Although when there's the option, I will always go for the hot dog because it is amazing.
I'm very excited to be here and we're having lunch. My brothers are having hot dogs and so am I. And the parents are having chicken salad.
So we're here in August. So it is really hot, like 30 degrees Celsius. So it's important to drink a lot of water to replace the sweat that you lose so you can have a fun day and not dehydrate. Here queuing up for Cali River Rapids. We're probably going to get drenched, but we bought ponchos, which is probably going to heat us up because it's 30 degrees Celsius. But let's enjoy it because we'll probably dry off quickly.
Excited?
Just got off Cali River Rapids. My hair got drenched, but the rest of my body is quite dry because I was wearing a poncho. But my dad got soaked because he didn't put his poncho on because he didn't get one, so that was quite funny. There's something quite funny about this ride. So when the rafts come along this section, you can squirt them with the elephant and it's funny to see their reactions.
Io metto tutta fare il prossimo avventura da qui a Everest.
I got them.
Unicamente.
So we have to leave Animal Kingdom now. The forecast says it's gonna rain soon, but according to the weather, the clouds doesn't really look like it's gonna rain or anything, but I have to trust the weather forecast. My favorite ride here was Everest. It was really exciting and fun to do. And thank you for watching.